So, who was the idiot that pulled the fire alarm? No one is going home until we find out.
Oh yes. It was me. I did it because I wanted to skip math.
New Routemaster. How dare you pull the fire alarm? You know that's a crime and could get you arrested. That's it. I'm calling Enviro 400 about this and he is going to have you grounded for a ridiculous amount of time.
Oh my absolute freaking god. New Routemaster, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You know you can get put in prison for that. That's it, you are super ultra mega grounded 4567282891275345672631000000000 years. March upstairs to your room right now before I send you to the BND of Doom logo.
Put me on Route 57 right now.
Routemaster. Get up, new Routemaster. Get up and out the bed now. Today is punishment day. First punishment, taking a boiling 235 degrees Celsius hot shower.
Oh, whoa, wow, it's so hot, it burns. Why?
Second punishment, smashing your PC.
Why did you do that? It costed around £600.
Shut up!
Third punishment, watching Bus Spotter 2008's grounded video out of you.
Screw him. Him making grounded videos out of me makes him stupid.
New Routemaster. Just be quiet already. Because if you don't be quiet, I will add extra punishments to your punishment day. Fourth punishment. Sending you to the WGBH Boston and BND of Doom logos.
Why? That was super scary.
But, now fifth and final punishment. You are grounded for 293 years. Go upstairs to your room right now. Because otherwise I will call the police to have you arrested for the fire alarm pulling yesterday.
Put me on Route 213 right now. Why?
Do it, Master. I'm gonna whip your ass. Oh my God. You are dead. And I'm calling Bus Spotter 2008 and Enviro 400 about this.